G'day guys, Greg here. Well, it's breakfast time and today I decided to come to Hungry Jack's. They got a new burger, a breakfast Turkish BLAT. A beautiful BLAT. They've got one BLAT that's got an egg too, so I'm going to go and grab that one. And well, we'll suss it out and see what it's like. It's got a drive through this one, so let's use it. Right.
Good morning, please place your order.
Can I have a Brekky Turkish BLAT with an egg, please?
What was that one, sorry?
A Brekky Turkish BLAT with an egg.
Yeah, no worries. Anything else?
That's all today.
Guys, I'm ready.
Thank you. Alright, so that cost $7.40. Okay, thanks. Right, gotta park. They're making it fresh. You ripper. I love it fresh. Alright, well here's the Brekky Turkish BLAT with an egg. BLAT. Bacon, lettuce and tomato. I wonder what else is on it. Well, let's find out. Oh, what? This is a wrap. I didn't ask for the wrap, I asked for the other one. Ah, struth, cobbers. Well, BLAT does sound like wrap, doesn't it? Struth. Oh, well, looks like I'm reviewing the Brekky wrap. Okay, well. Here's the Brekky wrap, which I didn't even want. But it's got some doughy bread. Looks like avocado there. And we got some lettuce. Some bacon there. 2 bits. Is this the egg? Or was there only half a chicken that laid that? Oh no, here's the other half. Was there 2 eggs? Or was that 1 egg? Well, who knows? But it's got avocado on there too. Oh, interesting. Okay. Well, let's wrap it back up and dive on in. Now remember folks, if you are going to order the BLAT, you might want to spell it out, B-L-A-T, because you might get the wrap by accident. I wonder if I could take this back and they'll give me another one. Well, I'm sure they would, but I wonder if they'd give me one, well, if I went back and said, look, you gave me the wrap instead of the BLAT, and I've already eaten it. I'll give it a go. Anyway, let's see what this one's like. Well, it would be nice if I got the Turkish bread on it. I did say Turkish BLAT. I'm not too sure how Turkish this is. Although if it was a doner kebab, I mean, are they Turkish? Oh, who knows, mate? It could be. I think anyone can have a doner kebab. There's the guts of it. It's looking okay-ish. It's funny about that egg cutting too, and well, the bacon was all right. I could sort of slightly taste that bacon, and it seemed a little watery, I think, from that lettuce. Could have been from that tomato too. I can taste some lemon in there too. They must put it on the avocado to stop it from going brown. And it sort of adds that sort of sour sort of taste about it. The egg, I can sort of taste that. the bacon, well, I could sort of taste that as well. And, well, there's a lot of wateriness in this from the lettuce and tomato and everything. So, yeah, it tastes like a watered down version of a hamburger. It would have been nice if, with some Turkish bread, that might have soaked up some of that wateriness. When are we going to porcupines? That egg tastes poached and, well, oh no, it would have been better if I think it was fried or something. Give it some crispiness and some extra flavour. It's sort of semi-half flavourless, this thing. Anyway, I got a mouthful of bacon. So how about I score this out of 10? $7.40 for this. Gee, I'll tell you what, they're not missing out on that, are they? I think the burger was about $8.35 or $8.25 for the burger. Well, I don't know how big it is because I didn't get it. Flavour-wise, well, it's got quite a few things on it. I mean, it's got avocado and bacon and eggs and tomatoes, but, you know, besides that, I mean, it's very basic and simple, but it's sort of missing lots of flavour as well. I don't know if there was any sauce or mayo on there at all. I don't think there was. I couldn't see any. It was a little bit bland tasting and a little bit boring. And, well, it wasn't what I ordered. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Brekky BLAT, that wasn't a BLAT, that is a BLAT, but it's not the Turkish BLAT, it's the wrap. Sounds like BLAT though. Make sure you pronounce it properly if you go through the drive-thru. Shouldn't go through the drive-thru, should I? I should stop acting like an idiot when I'm ordering. Anyway, for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score, I'm going to give this a 5 out of 10. Oh, I think it's pretty average, and it was okay, but it wasn't great. Could have done with some more seasoning or something, maybe some salsa on there or something to go with the avocado. It was kind of a bit bland and a bit boring, and those poached eggs were like rubbery sort of, and it was pretty average really. So 5 is a good average score, I think. Anyway, I couldn't be bothered going back and trying to sort this mess out, so I'll leave it at that. Even though the guy who brought this out to me recognised me and said he loves the videos. G'day, mate. Thanks for saying hi. And thanks for watching. If you like these videos, show them some thumb and love. Subscribe for more. And I'll see you next time. I'll review something. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the